I can just see my babies running out here.
Try something.
What can I get started for you?
I'm gonna get a large caramel frappe and a large iced caramel macchiato. And you want a sausage burrito?
No thanks.
And 2 sausage burritos, please.
Hot sauce?
Mild, please.
Perfect. I got 2 burritos with mild sauce, a large caramel frappe, and a large iced caramel macchiato. That's going to be $9.38.
Okay, thank you.
$9.38 at McDonald's? I don't think so. That's what you always do, babe.
I'll try it.
No, you gotta do it now. You always do the, I don't think so. Come on.
I know.
Look at that, folks. What's a McDonald's coupon app?
I see what they do there. I know they let you get it, buy one, get one free. But then what happens is you're like, oh, well, sausage burritos are only $1. Might as well get 2. I'm kind of hungry. Got a little road trip out.
Is that what they do?
Uh-huh.
Not a bad idea. But seriously, you guys gotta get the McDonald's app. We are not paid sponsors. I feel like I need to say that. But it went from 9 something to $6. And you got this beautiful
Save $3.99.
iced coffee. Alright. So, now that we got our coffee and our burritos, we felt like it was about time to fill you guys in on an important fact. Fact? An important tidbit of information. Honey, tell us all about it. Give him a minute.
So,
What was it, a month ago?
yeah.
A month and 6 days ago.
So this property came up, 7.5 acres, and it was an awesome location, you know, not too far from work. And my wife texts me, she goes, "It's my dream house property." And I was like, I text her back and I said, because I already deleted the email because the house isn't loanable at all, like it's bad. And so I told her, yeah, but it's not loanable. And then we went out there a couple days later because we were out looking at another house out there too. And we loved the property, and so we're like, we gotta try to see it and see what's going on. So we got our realtor out there. She also deleted the email because she knew it wasn't loanable. But so we go out there with
Mother
her.
knows best.
Mother knows best. Take it from your mumsy. Anyway, so our realtor met us out there. And I crawled under the house and I looked up in the attic and like it's got good bones. Yes, it is a terrible fixer-upper, not loanable, but we had to try to make it work.
We both felt fairly emotionally attached from the beginning.
Like it was the one.
Like, I genuinely believed that it was the one. Like, I just was seeing the house. It's just beautiful. It's got a little surround porch. And it's a single story, 2-bed, 2-bath, so eventually we'll have to add on somehow.
With a massive garage,
Huge
detached
shop.
It was built in it was built 7 years ago, and it's 30 feet by 30 feet. It's 900 square feet of a garage. Like,
it's a dream.
It's my dream. My dad, literally, when he came out and saw it, he said, "It makes me want to cry." Just looking at it, like, it's incredible.
It's cool. And the property, it's long and narrow, but
Which is great for shooting my bow. Sorry.
But when you step it out width-wise, it's not that narrow. It's just 7.5 acres long, so it looks super long. And we share a fence line with the cattle ranch, which is super, super cool.
It's beautiful.
I love it.
So anyway, we decided to make an offer on this property. And we had to offer way less than they were asking because of how much work needed to be done and everything. come to find out, they counter-offered us, and we did another counter-offer, kind of more in the middle between the two, and they did one more counter-offer that was just a hair higher than ours, and we said,
Deal! We'll take it.
So we have an accepted offer on a country farmhouse.
We won't be able to live in it for quite a while because
Trailer life, what?
because we're gonna have to just back the trailer up to the house and live in the camp trailer for a while. But that'll be good because the whole house, rather than living through a renovation, it will be like we'll shut the doors, leave the tools in there, and be done, and go to our camp trailer.
Oh, it's gonna be great.
It's gonna be really nice. I'm so excited.
Can I have my other burrito now?
Go for it. Do you need me to open your sauce? What was I gonna say? Anyway, so
No, thank you.
I don't know the progression. The first step is to get it financeable through conventionally financeable. We'll just say that.
Yeah, because we had to
we'll
do
have
a bad loan option, which is a bummer, but we think that the equity is definitely in the house and the
For
property.
sure. And we've taken a lot of counsel and advice from experienced people who've recommended going the route that we're going on it. But so we're super excited. So the first step is to band-aid the house, fix it as minimal as possible to get it to refinance for the value we need it to. Refinance, get a lower percent, all that good stuff. And then once we refinance and are at a good conventional loan, then we can start fixing it up exactly how we want it, which it'll be years, so it's exactly what we want. But we're excited. We're so excited. We're excited to take you guys along with us and show you from the beginning, like the very, very beginning, you know, everything we do and stuff. So we're super excited.
Wait till you guys see the pictures. And the thing is we're going to try to get it refinanced within 6 months.
But here are some videos and pictures of the house the first time that we went to go look at it. Teared up like 3 times and I really shouldn't have. And Jared told Heidi that he loves it and he probably shouldn't have.
without turning it sideways.
So, babe, any comments for my parents, your parents?
I absolutely love it. And
Tell us some facts.
7.5 acres.
Here, hold this, I'm gonna get Toby.
The house is almost in the dead center of it, which is awesome. It's off the road quite a ways. It's not a busy road. Like, we've been sitting out here and you're barely hearing traffic at all. Beautiful views, farmland like what Katie really wanted. There is ducting and stuff. I don't know. So I don't know. We need Poppy to come out here.
The ceilings are a little taller than standard, I think.
Yeah.
Which I love.
I could see this being our forever home.
It would seriously be a miracle, like if the Lord wanted us to have it, because the people had mentioned that they would not want to own or carry, so either they'd have to change their minds or we would have to find somebody that would be willing to be our bank. But I mean, we're not banking on it, counting on it, but I kind of think it's the one. I know I shouldn't say that, but I kind of do. And if it's not, then God's got something better in store for us. But man, if he's got something better than this,
Shut the front door.
Jared said it. Hey guys, so we are out here on our property with permission. It's not our property yet. We're doing our due diligence currently. We've gotten permission to come out and dig and look for the septic tank because nobody knows where it's at.
Which is a bummer.
Yeah, which is a bummer. So we have to find it, otherwise we have to pay somebody to find it. And then on top of that, we've got to pay for the inspection. So we're trying to save some money. This is the story so far. So Jared found out that he crawled under the house and then found out that it exited over here. So it looks like some wild creature's been over here digging like crazy. So he dug and dug and dug and dug. We found it in that hole, then we found it in this hole, and he just found the pipe in this hole. And so now he's digging in that hole, trying to find it.
Look what I found.
Did you find it?
I don't know.
Oh!
Or it's a really big flat rock.
What do you find? Tobes, what are you doing?
Hey,
What?
listen. Right there, I think something.
Maybe it's the clean out.
Maybe that's the...
Alright, we'll see you in a minute.
Alright, so I'm pretty sure I found the crack right there to what might be a lid. The crack goes right here. And there's the other side of a crack. Right there. Uh-oh! Is that the lid, folks? No?
Babe,
Sweat equity. That's
honey,
what they call it.
do you realize you just saved us $400?
Yeah! And I didn't even have to work half a week.
Yay for saving money. So what'd you think?
Like, comment, subscribe.
What were you saying before I threw that?
You interrupted me and I lost it.
did.
So yeah, guys, follow us because it's going to be a big process. We're not professionals by any means, but you're going to see a big change in our house. And we got to do pretty much a whole house renovation. So follow along, stay tuned, and we'll keep you updated on our progress. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you guys.
We have 3 videos on YouTube.
Go to McDonald's app too.
But seriously, it sounds funny because we just started this vlogging thing and we don't really know what we're doing. And so when he says like, comment, subscribe, we just
I feel like
don't feel like a professional.
Oh.
Anyway,
Yeah.
but
so
if you
pro.
feel so led to do so, go for it. It'd be fun, and you can. I guess they wouldn't miss anything if they did like and comment or subscribe or something. Subscribe. Subscribe. If you subscribe, I think you get emails. That's what I've heard other YouTubers say.
Oh.
You get emails
Are
when
we
we
a
post
YouTuber
something
now?
new, so that you never miss a detail.
And you're not gonna want to miss
You're not
a
gonna want to
single
miss
detail,
it.
folks.
That's right. But so now we just sit back, wait for some legal stuff before we can move in, and we're going crazy. We're ready to get our hands on that house and start fixing it. But anyway, thanks for watching.
Opening day, hunting season, and now time to help Grandma. What?
That's so not relevant
I
at
know.
all.
I'm just keeping them updated.
But yeah, update. Today was opening day, and we saw lots of bucks
So it's kind of a good
on our
thing.
private property.
Poor kitty.
And now we're headed to help Grandma move.
Yeah, it's a good thing that we don't have the house right now because it's kind of hunting season, and I feel like I'd be getting pulled two different ways, and we all know what's a priority here. I'm a bow addict. Anyway.
Yeah, speaking of bow addicts.
Oh, speaking of bow addicts, check them out. I don't know if you can tell. Bow addicts. Bow addicts. It's for those who are addicted to bow hunting, and that's me. And they're a great Christian company who love the Lord and have a lot of faith-based shirts and hats and things. But really cool company, great owners. We know them, and they're awesome. So definitely best customer service.
We'll put the link in the description box below.
Oh yeah, check them out, folks. They got sales. Probably will have a Labor Day sale coming up, so take advantage of it.
Right.
ASAP.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bow addicts. It's in your blood.
Bye.
Toodles.